Free online certifications not only expand your skill and knowledge but also makes your resume more attractive to recruits for private or government jobs. Free online courses gives you a chance to learn from industry experts without spending a dime. The major massive open online courses platform have changed their model where the course is free but printable certification is chargeable. Though there still are tons of free courses online with certificates from reputed providers, but not all courses cover the content in depth or have industry ready course content. Today we will discuss about top 7 best free online courses with printable certificates. So let's begin. This is our today's courses. First one is machine learning from Stanford University. Second one is Python for Everybody specialization from University of Michigan. And the next one is the science of well-being from Yale. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate from IBM Data Science. Fifth one is the complete iOS 10 developer from iOS 10. Sixth one is Google IT automation with Python professional certificate from Google. And the last one is CS50's introduction to computer science from Harvard University. Machine learning, Stanford University. This machine learning course offers introduction to machine learning, data mining and statistical pattern recognition. The course will also help you to draw from numerous case studies and applications. You will also learn about applying algorithms to create smart robots, medical informatics, audio database mining, and various other areas. The key topics of this course: Introduction to Machine Learning, Linear Regression with one variable, linear regression with multiple variables, algebra review, learn about Octave or MATLAB, logistic regression, regularization, learn about the neural networks. Let's talk about the features of this course. 100% online course, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option, apply your skills with hands-on project, course videos and readings, assignments with peer feedback, graded quizzes with feedback, programming assignments, prerequisite known language, French, Chinese, Russian, English, etc. The rating of this course is 4.9 out of 10. To complete this course, it will take approximately 60 hours to complete. And the course is absolutely free and it also comes with free certificate. Our second course is Python for Everybody specialization from University of Michigan. Python for Everybody specialization is a course that helps you to learn the basics of programming using Python language. This course introduces you to the fundamental programming concepts, including data structures, networked application program interfaces, using the Python programming language. With the given case study of the capstone project, you will learn how to use the latest technologies to create Python applications for data retrieval, processing, and visualization. Key topics of this course: installing Python and write your first program, fundamental of Python programming language, use of variables to store, retrieve, and calculate data. How you can use code programming tools such as functions and loop. Here are some features of this course: 100% online courses, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option, graded quiz with feedback, course video and readings, assignments with peer feedback, programming assignments, and the course is available on English, Arabic, Chinese, German, French, Russian languages. The rating of this course is 4.8. The duration of this course is 8 months. It also comes with a free certificate. The Science of Well-being, Yale. This is a general course which helps you to increase your own inner happiness and how to build more productive and healthy habits. The course talks about the misconceptions regarding happiness, annoying features of the mind which may lead us to think the way we should do, and the research which helps us change. You are finally ready to incorporate a particular wellness activity to enhance the well-being of your life. Here are some key topics of the course. Misconceptions about happiness. Why do we mispredict? What are the things that makes us happy? How can we overcome our biases? How to improve our happiness? Putting strategies into practice. How can you rely on others to change your behaviors? Lastly, you need to submit your final assignment. Features of this course: 100% online courses, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option, course videos and readings, assignment with peer feedback, graded quizzes with feedback, programming assignments, and the language is English, Spanish, and French. The rating of this course is 4.9. The course is 19 hours long to complete. It also comes with a free certificate. Our next course is IBM Data Science Professional Certificate from IBM Data Science. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate course helps you to pursue a career in machine learning or data science to develop career-relevant skills and experience. This course bundle consists of 9 online data science courses that will provide you with the latest job-ready tools and skills, including open-source tools and libraries, SQL, data visualization, data analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning algorithms. You will also learn data science through hands-on practice in the IBM cloud using various data science tools and real datasets. After the end of this data science course, you will have built a portfolio of data science projects which helps you to plunge into the profession in data science. Here are some key points of this course. What is data science? Tools for data science methodology, data science and artificial intelligence with Python. Let's talk about the features of this course. 100% online course, flexible schedule, self-paced learning option, apply your skills with hands-on project, course videos and readings, assignments with peer feedback, graded quiz with feedback. The course comes with English, Russian and French language. The rating of this course is 4.6. It will take approximately 10 months to complete the course. After that, you will get the certificate for completion. The Complete iOS 10 Developer. The Complete iOS 10 Developer course helps you turn into the best developer, freelancer, and entrepreneur. This iOS course gives you all the developer skills you could ever want. The course offers a complete section on how you can create a startup right from idea to raising millions in venture capital funding. Here are some key topics of this course. How to develop our professional iOS apps. Have a solid skillet in Swift programming. Range of apps that should be published on the App Store. Making GPS maps. How to create transcription apps, calculator apps, and converter apps. RESTful and JSON apps. Firebase apps, fancy animations to wow user. Features of this course: online video content, certificate of completion, instruction question and answer, instructor direct message, creating compelling apps. The rating of this course is 4.5. It will take 48 hours, almost 49 hours to complete the course. Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate from Google. This is a bundle of six course certificates developed by Google to provide IT professionals with in-demand IT skills like Python, Git, and IT automation. This course program builds which helps you to take your career to the next level. This learning material designed in such a way that teaches you how you can program with Python and how you can use Python to automate frequently used system administration tasks. In this course, you will also learn to use Git and GitHub, troubleshoot and debug complicated problems, and apply automation by using configuration management and the cloud. This certificate can be completed in about 6 months and is designed to prepare you for various roles in IT, like more advanced IT support specialist or junior systems administrator positions. Key topics of this course: learn how you can automate tasks with the help of Python scripts, how you can use Git and GitHub for version control, Learn how you can manage IT resource, physical machines, and virtual machines in the cloud. Helps you to analyze real-world IT problems and implement the appropriate strategies to solve those problems. Features of this course: online video content, certificate of completion, instructor question and answer, videos and readings materials, practice quizzes, programming assignments with feedback, graded quizzes with feedback. The course comes with English, French, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish language. The rating of this course is 4.7. The course will take almost 8 months to complete. CS50's Introduction to Computer Science from Harvard University. Harvard CS50 is an entry-level free online computer science course which helps you to learn how you can think algorithmically and solve problems efficiently. It includes a problem set that is inspired by real-world domains of cryptography, biology, finance, forensics, and gaming. By registering this online course, you will also participate in research about learning. Read our research statement to learn more. Key topics of this course: learn about computer science and programming, how you can think algorithmically and solve programming problems efficiently. Learns concepts: abstraction, algorithms, data structure, encapsulation, software engineering, and web development. How you can engage with a vibrant community of like-minded learners. Learn languages like C, Python, SQL, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Learn how to develop and present a final programming project to your peers. Features of this course: expert instruction, self-paced learning option, course videos and readings, assignments with peer feedback, quizzes with feedback, programming assignments, easily shareable certificate, and the language of this course is English. The rating of this course is 4.8. It will take almost 3 months to complete the course, 6 to 18 hours per week. Thanks for watching the video. All the course link will given in the description below.